Here we have this 67 plate BMW 520d M Sport. Comes with the LED headlights. We've got the kidney grills in the centre. We've also got the parking sensors, which is front and rear with an in-car display. Now this vehicle does come with £5,500 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on the website. One to mention is the M Sports Plus package. We've also got the M Performance kit, making this front end look nice and aggressive. As we come around to the passenger side, you'll be able to see we've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We've also got the side skirts at the bottom, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside, black door mirrors with the colour coded door handles. We've also got the colour coded shark fin antenna up top, and we've also got the spoiler lip on the tailgate just there. So as we come to the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust with the diffuser at the bottom and the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a closer look at the interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with a blue stitching, isofix points with the armrest in the centre. We've also got the leather on the door with the blue stitching as well, with the electric windows, and we've got the ambient lighting that runs underneath. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the blue stitching. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable on the side, and there is a look at those. We've also got the electric side mirrors with the electric windows, child lock at the rear, premium Harman Kardon sound system with a speaker here and a speaker at the top of the door as well. Automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. As we take a seat inside and turn this vehicle on, got my foot on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift to the left hand side, and we've got the volume button with the paddle shift to the right hand side. Onto the main screen, we've got the satellite navigation. Now this is flickering, and that's just for the purpose of the video. It does not happen in real life. We've also got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth media, Bluetooth phone connectivity. If we just go onto the menu and we go across to vehicle, if we just go up to vehicle settings, onto lights and interior lighting, you'll be able to see this vehicle comes with the ambient lighting, and you can also change the colour of that as well. My favourite colour is blue, so we're just going to stick with that. Coming down, we've also got the intelligent safety there as well, so you can have it all on, individual, or you can have it all off if you keep your finger pressed down. We've also got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides. We've got the air conditioning just here, and we've also got the heated rear window as well. Now underneath there, as we slide it back, we've got the cup holders with a place for accessories, your phone or your key. We've got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so as we press this, comes up on screen all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. Just going to pop it into reverse, and you'll be able to see that it comes up with the sensors there as well. Back into neutral with no issues at all. We've also got the dial and the function buttons for the screen as well, and we've got the parking brake with the armrest and plenty of space inside for accessories also. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.